The question I want to address is about people's use of antibiotics. The title mentions that antibiotics are drugs used to treat bacterial infections and help people with several physical ailments, but at the same time, it has some disadvantages. As the title says, people usually increase the resistance of the virus in a small way. That is, virus will develop resistance with the heavy use of antibiotics. In Chapter 11, we mentioned externality, which explains that the benefit or cost of an action affects a bystander. Here we have a positive and negative externalities, and the negative externality is expressed by the fact that the bystander suffers a cost imposed from the outside. Thus, the use of antibiotics is a negative externality because as more people go on antibiotics, the greater the likelihood that bacteria will develop resistance. Although people who use antibiotics are treated, they also reduce the resistance of others to the virus because the virus is becoming stronger and stronger. Economists would therefore classify the use of antibiotics as negative externality. The next problem to address the problem of antibiotics being misused is the same problem of reducing the total surplus of social welfare generated by negative externalities. Since the negative externalities of antibiotics are not considered now, the total surplus in the market equilibrium is not maximized because the market equilibrium ignores the external costs that enhanced bacteria would incur. So to correct the false market equilibrium, the government should impose an increased tax on the production of antibiotics, also known as a corrective tax. This tax would shift the supply curve upward because producers would now want to reduce their losses by reducing supply. With the tax equal to its external cost, the market now provides us with an efficient quantity of antibiotics because external cost is being internalized through the tax. So this solves our problem. It maximum the total surplus for the well-being of society as well.